guys, if wondering, I'm at this. I think this shop is near LA. All this electronic company you can get is nearby the Silcat, and they call it Silcat here. So yeah, Silcat Tokyo is nearby. Then we have some LEs going on all the electronics components we can get from here. So yeah, this is one part of it. I think what we can get from the electronic stuff here. And this part is actually you can get all the electronics part. It's a specific parts here you can get from here is the cable stuff from this shop as well. From here, electronics cables you can get from here. These switches, cables, and all sorts of things you can get from here. Here also got some Pokemon cards. So I believe I'm in some alley here. I'm not sure if I'm going through here. So down to this alley. Oh, we can even go up here. It's interesting. Let's go up here. Oh, there's more electronics components hidden. Oh, I see. This is very like hidden alley here. I'm not sure. It's quite interesting from this floor. Not sure what floor it is. I just come up. And then we have time of different. There's more shops of electronics here. Interestingly, all this electronics shop here we can get. So we have VGAs and all of things we can get here. PCB boards, 200 yen. All types of connectors available here. Even they have like this JST connector we can get from here as well. So all types of header pins. So we have some this power supply connector as well from here, and a lot of stuff can going on. All type of transformers here. Here's transformer shop. Quite interesting. You see a lot of type of transformers you can get from here. Yeah. This whole transformer shop here. You can get this LI. I think this one is types of different types of things. All type of switches, multimeter, unity multimeter. Different types of multimeter we can get here. Different types of analog multimeter, I would say. This is not analog. I think it's some radio stuff going on. This is all radio, I think. Kind of oscillator or something. Yeah, it's radio stuff. So I think here we sales all like component stuff. We have like resistor and capacitor as well. So this is quite interesting. Even the big caps also have even here. I think this is super ceramic capacitor and so on. Yeah, I think this one is all on the range very nicely, tightly. This is all capacitor electrolytics. Yeah, this is all electrolytic capacitor. Then we have some interesting here, which is the push button capacitor. What shop is this? Some electronic shops, random electric shops. So yeah, I don't mind if making video. Video this. This shop name is I'm not sure, something interesting shop. So we also have the oscilloscope stuff here going on. So we have a multimeter here. This multimeter, so it's around 6,280 yen. We have sailing oscilloscope here, 21,000. So on, there's some sale going on here. Then we have some fluke multimeters and so on. Yeah, this LI is all electronic stuff you can get from here. So I'm not from the which LI here. Okay, oh, this is all some Game Boy stuff, electronics, all stuff here. They also have Kimon. Oh, we got walkie-talkie here. All sort of walkie-talkie we can get from here. See, nearby this is all the electronic components you can get from here. So yeah, you can see a lot of types of electronic stuff going on here. This is some, I think it's some cheaper stuff. I think you got a multimeter 1,100 yen, a basic one you can get from here. the cheap part. And we also some lamp here. There's a lot of LED lamp going on here. A lot of switches. Yeah, there's some light part. Or even there's sort of all the component stuff over here. All the tactile switches and so on. And I get back to you guys soon later. I want to see what else I can explore. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Actually, I should buy some of this. With tactile switches and very neatly organized. I just love the way they organize stuff. Yeah, interesting.